What's up guys, Kevin with Badline Industries. We're going to be talking about these differential bushings that are starting to wear out as these trucks get older. And if you ever tried to look for one of these, they're discontinued. We are going to show you guys how our new diff bushing kit can help you replace the old busted worn out bushings and turn these crusty, nasty brackets into this pretty quick. All right, so we got the knuckle off and got the ABS and caliper disconnected, got the entire knuckle torn off. Now I'm gonna plug the hole in the bracket here, the hole for the CV axle, so that I don't get any more dirt in there. Let's support the differential on the other side so that we can get this bracket off without dropping it, and then get this bracket off so we can cut the old bushings out and press the new ones in. Wow. That was well over 100 pounds. One, two, there you go. Now we just gotta get the diff bolts out. I'm gonna lift the arm up so we can get to this back one, and then the whole thing should kind of flop out. I'll tell you what, this Rancho lift is absolutely stupidly engineered, using these stock bolts and these nuts that aren't captive. It's not serviceable whatsoever. It would make the most sense to have them facing out, but the other side is facing out, so either these are backwards, which doesn't make sense because one side is tapered and the other one's flat, so either he completely installed this one wrong, or all they're doing is making two brackets, and this side's this way and that side's that way.
I don't know. I'll pull up the Skyjacker website and see if I can get the instructions.
Well, you better pull up the Rancho one instead.
Okay, I'll pull up that one too. Oh, is that one this one is?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's craziness. That is absolutely stupid. There's that. Go. There's one. Come on. There we go. All right. So now that we got this out, let's go take this to the bench and tear these old busted bushings off and get the new ones pressed in. All right, so obviously we got to get this stock bushing out of here, and first things first is we're going to cut this top washer in half with a grinder here in my vise and get that to come off, and then we'll see what it's going to take to get this guy out of here. Alright, so there we go. That was pretty easy. I don't know why this one's gonna. There we go. There we go. Now we just gotta figure out a way of getting these guys out. I don't know if I should just hit it. Nope. Probably gotta torch them out. Look at that. Power of editing. You guys see that?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I've only seen this done on like leaf spring bushings, but you guys don't have a torch, that'd be a really easy way to do that too. There you go. What we need to do now is there's a metal sleeve that needs to be removed inside of here. So quick way of doing that is just cutting part of it out and on one side or the other, kind of left to right, kind of like we did with the top sleeve. And then we'll drive this out real quick. So I'll show you guys that now. There we go. All right, so basically you're gonna just take the bushings in the kit and push them into the bracket here. What do you feel like doing? Vise is probably gonna be a lot easier, even though I got a vise right here. I'm just showing you guys real quick. Let you guys know you don't really need any sort of ridiculous and special tools to do this. Get the two bushings locked in there. Take your sleeve. And should probably get these a little wider, huh? So there you go. We got the bushings all installed, the new sleeves. I got some washers that are going to go on top and bottom of this so to keep this all captive. And from there, we'll bolt it back onto the differential and reinstall it onto the truck. So let's go back to the truck and get this thing installed. All right, so we're back at the truck and we're going to get ready to install this. The washers that are going to come with this kit are going to be different than the ones that I got here. This is kind of a prototype and kind of not. We've been doing a lot of math and a lot of figuring this last couple weeks, so we've got a pretty good idea of how this goes in, but I just haven't bought a big stock order of parts because the bushings I want to use aren't quite available yet. So at the time of recording, you guys will have to wait to get this kit complete, but I've got it on good authority that they'll be here within the month. So kind of early, but supply issues are kind of the normal thing right now. So let's get this installed and let's get this put back on the truck and bolted back in proper, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. There you go, guys. We got the new bushings pressed into the differential bracket. You don't need to replace a bracket, just the bushings. They'll be on our website. I'll put a link below. Like I said, they're going to come in two flavors. They're going to come in black or they're going to come in red, just to give you guys an option. Or maybe comment below. Let me know if you guys want the red or want the black. I don't have any qualms either way. The red is a little bit more expensive, probably 15-20 bucks to get the bushings and whatnot that I need for this, plus a little bit extra work on my end. But if you guys want that, comment below, red or black. Let me know what you guys want. Check out this video right here. This will show you how to tear apart the whole hub assembly to get the CVs out. It'll also help you do the inner axle seals. Check that video out. Thanks for watching.